just you and me in our big rig, living wild and free. With our two pups in the back, tails wagging bright, we're chasing dreams under the stars at night. Husband and wife, we're a trucking team. Through the ups and downs, we're living the dream. From coast to coast, we deliver the load. Together we ride on this winding road.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We appreciate you being here. On this week's episode, we pick up a load in Pennsylvania for Labor Day weekend and run it all the way out to beautiful Montana. Stick around and see what happens. It's going to be a long video. All right. Well, good morning, y'all. We are at a wood shop in PA, picking up a load going out to Big Sky, Montana. So I'm coming to my side box right here to get me some, these gentlemen need some straps. So we're going to get them some straps. And bring them back to them. So that's the plan for today. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move is the growth of this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this out with your friends. And let's get this load going.
Expedited journeys, the miles we embrace. Every challenge we face, we conquer with grace. Fueling our passion, we're chasing the sun. Together we're stronger, we're never outdone. Husband and wife, we're a trucking team. Through the ups and downs.
Ladies and jelly spoons, we are loaded. Hi, Pup. How are you today? Okay. Can you get down, please? I gotta talk to the people. We are loaded, as you see. It was all hand loaded, sitting on the floor. So let's get out of here. About 2 hours to get loaded. So let's get heading to Big Sky, Montana, and see what cool shit's out there. Pup, are you ready? Pup's ready. Old man's ready. Let's go. What's up, everybody? We are just outside of Toledo, stopping to get fuel. And at a TA, $3.19 a gallon. Unfortunately, it's kind of high, but it's the cheapest I could find along the route. So we're here getting fuel. We're gonna try to get some water if this water spigot works, and probably switch out for the night because I only got an hour left, and that's not going to be enough time to get anywhere. We're on 80. Just bought a gallon, $235 right there, but it does 3,200 gallons of treatment. That's that Pittsburgh Power stuff that I use. I'm telling you, man, it works. So let me start getting some fuel, and we'll talk to you here in just a minute. And we just hang out. We got the pumps on real slow so we can get some water pumping. Gotta check the tank, make sure it's filling. Sometimes it's hard to see. Let me go check to see if it's filling. Yep, it's filling. So let's go back here and check the load. See how everything's riding back here. Everything looks to be still in place where they left it. Everything looks good back here. What that is wood paneling for walls. When you guys see what kind of house it's going in, you'll understand, but they're paying us to move it, so. All right, let me finish up getting fuel and let's get out of here.
We're living a dream from coast to coast.
Alright, good morning. Kind of forgot to film last night. Started in Toledo, Ohio. About 9 o'clock. I made it to St. Charles, Minnesota. Stopped in Wisconsin at the Welcome Center for my 30-minute break. And it is 7:57 now. And just got back to the truck, got a shower, ate breakfast.
Good morning, y'all. We are in Minnesota at the Lowe's. We just got out of the shower. Fixing to start my day. Did my walk around, did my pre-trip. Pretty, what you call it, foggy today. And the wife said it just hit, so. Nobody asked for your opinion, sir. Oh. Okay. What else? Anyway, sorry. So we're gonna get the day started. We're gonna get out of here. Keep heading west. We haven't hit any rain, but they said there might possibly be rain west of us. So I don't know. We'll figure out when we get there. I don't pay too much attention to the weather. Whatever it's doing out the windshield is what it's doing. Right, bud? Say good morning. So, you ready to get this day started? You're probably ready to go to bed. Anyways, we're out of here. I'm rambling.
We deliver the load. Together we ride on this winding road. So join us, folks, on this journey of ours. With love and laughter, we'll reach.
All right, well, we made it to Sioux Falls, North Dakota. We're up here at the Lowe's. We got diesel. And I decided to get the truck washed. Because where we're delivering, I want to be able to look halfway decent. So, we're going to get it washed up. So, that's the plan, man. Sorry, I was watching the guys put covers over the wheels and stuff. We'll see if we can get a couple shots of the wash being done, or at least the aftermath of when we pull out. So.
For the stars in our truck with our dogs, we're making our way. Come along for the ride, it's a brand new day.
Well, y'all, as you can see, we made it to Montana. I missed my truck stop about, I don't know how many miles back, but I missed it. So they had this little pull out here right in front of the Welcome to Montana sign. So I pulled off here real quick so we can switch out, and there's a truck stop not too far up the road where we'll actually go to, but I can't drive no more. I only got like 10 minutes left on my clock, if that. So unfortunately I missed my truck stop, but we made it to Montana. So wife's fixing to take over and get us to that truck stop so we can actually switch out and let the dogs out and do all that type of stuff. I think there's one coming up anyways, that's the plan. So we'll see what happens after this, but we made it to Montana and we can't deliver till tomorrow, right? Sunday, Monday. We can deliver Monday. And today is Saturday, so we'll sit all day tomorrow, but we'll deliver Monday. So let's go. Good morning, YouTubes. How's everybody doing? It is 5:32 Mountain Time, 7:32 Eastern Time. And we're fixing to start heading to where we gotta be. We're about 177 miles away, I think. So we should be there about 8:30. Appointment time's at 9, so we should be there between 8:30 and 9. And go see what we got to work with here. Sounds like it's gonna be a pretty interesting day due to the fact of where we're delivering to. So I guess it's a ski resort, vacation home location, is what I'm gathering from looking at Google Earth. It's right at a ski resort and a right close to Yellowstone. It's just, anyways, we're going over there. We're going to deliver, and it's early. We're leaving the TA. Let's get to getting. Hey y'all, if you're interested in expediting and you want to give it a shot, and you have a Class A or a Class B CDL, please give our friends over there at Highfield a call, 833-HIGHFIELD.
One of the perks of working for Highfield is you can bring your pets with you.
So if you're interested, give our friends over there at Highfield a call, and remember, they do also have Class A CDL jobs available in tractor trailer. Same household teams are preferred, or do you have an established team? Give them a call also. They do have trucks that'll fit you guys too. So give them a call at
1-833-493-4353, option 1.
Thanks, guys. Let them know J Squared Expediting sent you. Alright, well, not very often you get to see me with my headset on. But we have made it semi-close to where we're delivering. It's an interesting location. We are in a place, I'm going to say probably the most expensive place I've ever delivered to. Hands down. We're waiting on the foreman he's on his way into the facility now. I say it like it's some sort of like top secret place, but it's a high-end, what would you call this? Like a high-end development of houses and stuff. So that's where we're at. We're waiting on, like I said, we're waiting on the foreman to come by, and when we know more, we'll know more. So we'll let you see what we can see, and we got some pretty cool shots coming in. We'll have some pretty cool shots going out. This is how they're going to try to unload some of it this way and then run it up to the balcony. So here we go. Well, y'all, that's that. And that's a wrap. So we're done with that load. Signed, sealed, and delivered.
It's theirs.
So let's get out of here and hope to see you on the next one. We're going to head to a Walmart and get some groceries. And we'll be done for the day. So appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day.